Hello YouTubers, I'm Parways and this is our sixth video in JavaFX 10 GUI Application Development. In the previous video we have learned how you can draw ellipse in JavaFX. In this video I want to show you how you can draw text in JavaFX and also how you can add shadows, also how you can add reflections to your text in JavaFX. So now let's get started. I'm going to create a new source, a new JavaFX application file. I call it drawing text, and in here, like previous video, I'm going to just copy my window code and paste it in here and just change this to stage, and in here I want to add this code. So click on OK. Just change the title to JavaFX drawing text. Now if I run this, you will see I have a nice window. The build is completed and I'm waiting for window. Okay, this is the window. For drawing text, let me first create the object of text. So text, text, new text, and in here you need to, let me just first import this. Why it's not okay? Now you can see text javafx.scene.text. Okay, now in here you need to give the position, so x and y position. I want to give it 150, and also you need to give the text. So this is JavaFX 10 text. Okay, also let me just give a color to my scene because it will be so nice. So color dot red. Okay, now this is our text. Let me first show you the text, and in here you need to root dot get children dot add, and I want to add the text. I'm going to run this. Okay, so I'm waiting for the build. Build is completed. Yeah, you can see now we have this is JavaFX 10 text. Now how you can add font to your this text. So now it's so small, so for this you need to create font object. So font and a new font. And here you can add the font style, so I give it serif, and also you can give the size, so 25. The name is serif and the size is 25. Now we are going to add our this font to our text dot set font, and I want to add the font object. So let me run it again, and I expect to see a bigger text from the previous one. Build is completed, and now yeah, you can see now this is bigger than previous text. Also you can, if you want to give color for your text, you can do. So text dot set fill color dot white. Okay, and if you run this, you will see a white color text. I'm waiting for compilation completed successfully. You can see now the text is white. For adding shadows to JavaFX text, first you need to create the object of shadow, drop shadow. So drop shadow and I call it shadow new drop shadow. Okay, after this we need to set the offset x and offset y of our shadows. So shadow dot set offset x, I want it should be 8, and shadow dot set offset y, and for this 8 also let me give a color to my shadow dot set color, and we need to give an RGB color I want to give it. So for RGB you can see we have red, green, blue, and also we have alpha. So 20, oh, the last one is the opacity, not alpha. So the green and also the red, the blue, and at the end we need to give the opacity, so it's 0.8. okay, now we are going to set our text, the shadow to our text dot set shadow, set effect, sorry, not shadow, dot set effect, and I want the shadow. So let me run it. Hopefully we see a shadow in our text. Compilation completed successfully. Now I am waiting for, okay, now you can see in here we have a shadow, you can see. Okay, now this was our shadow for adding reflection. If you want to add reflection to your text, you can also do in JavaFX. So adding reflection to JavaFX. So I'm going to create a reflection object, reflection, I call it reflection, new reflection. I'm going to set the fraction for my reflection dot set fraction, so 7. Also I need to set the top offset, so reflection top offset, I want to give it 5. Now set this, so text dot set effect reflection. Okay, now I'm going to run it. Compilation completed, and I'm waiting for this. Okay, now you can see we have a reflection in here. This is Java text and we have in here. So thank you guys. If you have any question, please let me know, and for the further videos don't forget subscription of my channel.